We've gotten so used to this, we don't even realize that the Bible gives us language on how God really loves us. But what's sad is we don't even do that for ourselves, and we don't even do that for others. God is quick to listen to us. He's slow to speak, and he's slow to become angry with us. And obviously it's because of Jesus, of course. But God literally is not telling us to do something that he's not doing for us himself. So if he's doing it for us, how come we can't do it for ourselves and do it for other people? We got some work to do, yo. We really have work to do. We really do. We really do. Because we know that when we're slow to anger, it produces righteousness in our lives. God being slow to anger when it comes to us automatically puts us in the seat of receiving righteousness.